going on, y'all? Back with another one. I think this episode 40. Real quick, we're gonna bust open 3 boxes from Exclusive Fitted. I think these is old joints. We're gonna see what it is. What's going on, y'all? What is going on, people? Let's see what this one is. Oh, bro, I forgot I had this. What? A black camo with the lavender. What a fuco. Ain't much to say about. Oh, this is tricks. Yo, this is me. You see that? Beautiful. Beautiful. The black camo looking different. It's looking different. Here go another one. See what this is. Real quick, man. Real quick. What's this? Oh, when did I get this? When did I get this? When did I get this? When? Oh, Colorado Rocky joint with the red bottom. Oh, with the gold. The flaky gold. Come on, man. Yo, I got so much heat. Man. Yo. Alright. What y'all think about that? Alright, that's 2 fire ones. Let's see what this one is, and y'all gonna have to write in the comments. I said the comments. You're gonna have to write in the comments. Which one you think is better. I don't know what this one is. Let's see if I pull out 3 heat. That's 2 heat right there. That's 2 heaters. What's this one? What? Yo, I don't even remember. Yo, oh. Summertime, ooh, summertime. What? Oh, baby, what? This is gorgeous. The Seattle joint? Yikes. With the white guts? Oh, baby, this is fancy. Huh? This is fancy. This is too smooth right here. This is too, oh, baby. I can see myself now. Summertime. Walking with my grandson. He's like, Opa. I'm like, yeah. This is fire. Yeah. This is special. And just like that, you getting out of here. Rad Hat Whisperer. Something special. My